How to set Spotify music as alarm in Samsung phone. It is possible, it is not possible, let's find out now, okay? First of all, you need to log in your Spotify and log into your account. After doing that, you need to click on the middle button search and search for the music that you want to set as alarm, okay? After finding the music, you click right here and it will open this page. After doing that, you will click on these three dots at the top right corner and you will see several options, okay? If you swipe down, you will see this option right here, sleep timer. So if you click on top, here you can select a time to play the music, okay? So for example, if I select 1 hour, in an hour the sleep timer will play, okay? Will play the music. So you can select this time right here, so you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. In my case, I will select an hour just for example, and after doing that, in an hour the music will play on my Samsung phone. That is the only way that you can do this process, okay? If you want to play the music as alarm on your Samsung phone on default alarm, you need to download the music, okay? I hope I helped you with the information. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.